In this video, we will understand CSS selector. CSS selector are used to select the content you want to style. Mainly, there are three type of selectors in CSS. First one is element selector, second one ID selector, and third one class selector. This is element selector. We have written the name of element, HTML element P, or we can write H1. It will change every P element in HTML tag. Text to center. It will change every text to center. And color to red. Everything, every element in the HTML will be changed using this element selector. Now let's talk about ID selector. First, we will give an ID to element in HTML, and only that element will be changed. There must be a unique ID to every element. This is the condition. This is targeted by using hash. This is hash and heading. Heading is the name of ID we give to the element. That element will be centered, text will be centered, and color will be red. Now let's talk about class selector. Dot. It is targeted by dot. Center is the name of class. Whenever you put this class in element, it will be centered and the color will be changed to red. And a single element can have multiple class, as I told you earlier, but there is only one ID for a single element. Now understand selector by example. Let me create some tags. I have created two paragraph tags and one H1. Let's first understand the element selector. Element selector is simply selected by writing the H1 or the element name, curly bracket open, and just write the code. Save it, save both files, check the result. Yes, CSS color has been changed by using the element selector. If I put any other element with H1, its color will also change. Yes, see the result. It will change every H1. Element selector change color of every element. Now understand ID selector. Before that, you have to give element a ID like this. I am giving one ID. Para1 is the ID name, and just write the code for this ID. We use hash, then the name of ID name, curly brackets, write the code. Let's change color to blue. Save it. Yes, color changed to blue of same ID, as we have target only this element. Let's understand the class selector. Just put some class in this element. As I told you, a single element can have a multiple classes, but ID is unique for a single element. Para 2. Go to style sheet. You target element using class by dot, para 2, curly bracket, color brown. Just save it, save both files and just see the result. Yes, color is changed to brown. Let's write some other code in this class. Text align center. Now see the result. Yes, text is aligned to center. Let me show you some other thing. Now this class only have text align center, so we can also put this class in this element like this, class para 2. Now the color will be taken from the ID para 1 and the text alignment will be taken from the class. Let's see the result. Correct? So in this way you can target any element in HTML using CSS. Thank you.